Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sadhguru Coaching Classes Alandi. Today we are going to learn the theorem of circle. The name of the theorem is cyclic quadrilateral. The tagline is, the statement is, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. First of all, I will explain what is cyclic quadrilateral. If a quadrilateral having all 4 points on circle is called cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral having all its 4 points on a circle is called cyclic quadrilateral. Second part, what is opposite angle? So, angle A its opposite angle is angle C. Angle B's opposite angle is angle D. And these are supplementary. You know all that the supplementary angle has measure 180. The addition of two angles is equal to 180. Then the both angles are called supplementary angle. So, given here we in given only give that the quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. In proof, we have to prove that angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. In proof, arc ABC is intersected by the inscribed angle ADC. Yesterday, we have studied that inscribed angle and intercepted arc. In this, arc ABC is intercepted by angle ADC. This angle intercepted the arc ABC. So, arc ABC is intercepted by the inscribed angle ADC. So, yesterday we have studied in inscribed angle theorem that angle ADC is equal to half of arc ABC. This is our first statement. Similarly, arc ADC is intercepted by the inscribed angle ABC. So, here also angle ABC is half of M arc ADC by inscribed angle theorem. Okay, so here we have added these two statements. Add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1, left hand side is added in left hand side and right hand side is added in right hand side. So, therefore, angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to half of M arc ABC and half of M arc ADC. We simply combine these two statements in a single statement. Left side is added in the left side and right side is added in the right side. Here, half is common. So, half is outside the bracket and inside the bracket M arc ABC and M arc ADC. So, arc ABC and arc ADC makes a circle. Circle has measure 360. So, instead of arc ABC and arc ADC, we have put here 360, which is a measure of whole circle. So, we divide this 360 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 8 are 16 and 2 0, 0. So, here we get 180. So, angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 180. Here, we use the three letters to denote the angle, but we can also denote the angle by only a single letter, that is the middle letter, angle D and angle B. Measure of angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Similarly, we can prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. We need not to prove it again. We can only write down the statement. Similarly, we can prove angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. Hope you all of you understand. We will see in next video. Thank you.